Hello, and how you doing? In some few minutes, I wanted to show you how to use the Google Classroom as a participant in any online courses that Cloneshouse Nigeria offers. The Google Classroom is sure hosted by Google, and yes, you do not need to download any application before you can have access to Google Classroom. So, as a participant, once you have been confirmed as a participant, you will get an email from Clones House Nigeria inviting you um, to join in. So, you're going to get an email that looks like this: class invitation. So, result based monitoring and evaluation week one. So, you just click on the email and you will see in the email join. So you click on join. It works on mobile phone and also as a web application as well. So this is where this text brings you. So you have three tabs you should take note of in the Google Classroom. The first one is the stream. The stream has every post about your class units and courses as well. Um, so for instance, this is the week one of the online result-based monitoring and evaluation. So you would have seen, so for example, this is the top most post and it's unit one introduction for week one. There are also guides on top anyways, but yes, so this is the course unit, which is the course unit 1.0, the first course you're supposed to take. All courses, almost all courses have a video, then has a PDF presentation. So you are supposed to watch the video and also download the PDF file as well. And while watching the video, feel free to make some comments or could be insights, suggestions about the video you've watched or the slide itself. So, so also there's a pre-online scheduled courses. This is for always for week one of all our courses as a pre-online scheduled course survey. So you're supposed to complete this survey before answering questions or going ahead. So it's important that you're able to answer this survey and submit it as you if you get in here as you got into the platform. You're supposed to submit that course outline. We have essential readings as well. So these are books, online books about monitoring and evaluation that you can download and read as the course goes along. All our courses have case studies, so you will see case studies. The case studies you're supposed to work on are actually embedded in here, so you can just like showing you how to, once you just click on any of the attachments, it takes you to so it will take you to the documents. You can actually so this is the PDF file of the documents. You can decide to print it. Once you click on print, it brings you, it opens it, so you can save as. You can download it, so you can save it on your desktop or whatever. Yes. So yeah, so that's how you can access documents on. So let me go back. Also your videos, once you click on it, it should play via the YouTube. So
Hello,
it
and
plays automatically,
welcome.
and you can go to YouTube and go and view your video as well. So yeah. So yes, I mean, you have essential readings, you have case studies, you have the course schedule. You can take a look at it. Yes, so you have unit 2 in your course. So every week you will get post for each week that is different from this. So this week has unit 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should consider reading the important messages that are put on top. So like this one has watch video and download PDF presentation. So unit 3, so you will also see additional files, resources that are useful for that particular unit under each unit. So so that's for the stream. Just by the left hand side, if you notice, it's upcoming. So these are actually assignments. If you click on view all, you're going to see everything. Actually everything that is inside the classwork. So let's click on the classwork tab. So it has like week 1 of this online RBME course has 5 questions. 5 questions, 3 assignments in it, and it has, so you can actually click on each of the questions. Once you click on it, it pops up, so you could just click. I've turned in this already, so it's telling me turned in. So but let's look at question 2. Yeah, so that's question 2. You can double click. This is assigned, view question. So this is how the question shows, and you answer using the buttons. Once you answer, this turn-in button comes in, and you can click on turn-in to submit the multiple choice question. The private comments here is if you have any comments for that goes to the facilitator directly. This other comments, which is the class comments, goes to the general class, so other members that are enrolled in the class can see your comments. So that's how you answer multiple choice questions. Let's go back a little bit. So you can do that for the questions, like 5 questions in this week. Assignment 1, this is for the assignments, and the assignments are organized in a way that it is in line with the units that you might have done in your stream. So for example, unit 3, which is cursor pathways, has its own assignments. You can double click and view assignments. So take note that it has a document inside it which will have your name actually. So you can view assignments. So this is that assignment. Check the documents, class, case studies. Actually, this is in your stream. There are 4 cases in the document. Pick one of the cases and create a cursor pathway. So for you to do that, you need to open this document that is attached to it, or you can actually respond using this add file. But the cases are in here. They are also on the stream page I showed us earlier on. You'll see case studies. So imagine that we click on this. So actually you can continue to work. So the cases are here. You can pick anyone. The 5th case, so there are 4 cases here already. So you can respond to the assignment by creating your cursor pathway. Once you're done, it saves automatically. You can close it, then turn in. Turn in means you finished and you want to submit. If you do not want to use this Google Doc, you can add a file by coming here, add, then go to file, then you can upload your file. Then you turn in. Again, there are private comments and there are class comments as well. So let's go to assignment 2, which is about result chains. So also it has its own document, which is a template actually. Let's view the assignment. And so it says classify indicators you have listed in your unit 4 assignment into different types of result chains. So I click on the document, and I can actually work directly in the document because the document is like a template. So yeah, so I can continue to work in here, numbers of X, Y, Z, so indicators and all. Like I said, it saves automatically. I close when I'm done, and you can turn it. You can upload your documents while copying the template here. You can maybe work on your Word document, on your local file, and you can upload. It might go to recent by default, but upload, then select files from your device, and you can copy anyone. So let me cancel that and go back. Let's go back. So you can see each one has its due dates at 11:59 on Friday. So you need to take note of that. That's the same for all the assignments. You can look at people. So for the people stream is for your classmates or class members, those that want to be shown or be in public. Some participants might decide not to make their email be available to other participants, so you might not see participants' name there. There's a Google Calendar here where you can schedule, and there's a class drive folder which has all your work, the work that you have done, and the one that you're working on currently, and the one you've turned in as well. So you can also see all the topics here as well. You have the stream. Also, I think it's important to state that most of the multiple choice questions are ungraded. So, but the assignment 1, 2, 3, they are actually graded. So, which means it has points. Just for you to know. So, like I said, this tab has a viewer. So you can look at the viewer, and it has all the assignments you're supposed to do. Once you turn in anyone, it will change to turn in, just like this one has been turned in. And if you submitted your attachment, then it will show that it has been submitted as well. So you have the stream where you would have all class works, all notes that you're supposed to look at. So unit 1, every unit has its video and its PDF, so you should check them, and also comments, insights, suggestions, questions on that particular unit. You can post it here, and feel free to look at the essential readings. Also, there are case studies. So the classwork case studies, which you would answer questions based on actually here. So you can see case study 1, 2. Normally you're supposed to pick from the case studies. So I think that will be all. But if you have any issues with your Google Classroom, please feel free to email local@cloneshouse.com, or training@cloneshouse.com, or you can do a phone call. And I hope this is useful to you. Have a good week ahead of you. Bye for now.